In a world where creativity knows no bounds, a groundbreaking technology emerges from the labs of OpenAI. This is Sora, a visionary leap into the future of storytelling, where the only limit is your imagination. Sora, an AI model unparalleled in its ability, transforms written words into vivid video narratives. From the depths of historical epochs to the far reaches of the imagined futures, Sora crafts visual masterpieces that captivates and inspire. So let's understand this with a story case. Meet Alex, a filmmaker who dreamed of bringing forgotten histories to life. With Sora, Alex's scripts about the vibrant life in ancient marketplaces are no longer confined to the imagination. They are now immersive, visual experiences shared with audiences around the globe. Then there's Jordan, an educator, aiming to ignite a passion for space exploration in students. Through Sora-generated videos, Jordan takes the classroom on a journey across the Martian landscape, turning lessons into captivating adventures. And imagine the power of visual storytelling in the hands of Sam, an environmental advocate. With Sora, Sam creates compelling narratives of a future where deforested lands are reborn, helping viewers visualize the impact of restoration efforts. These stories are just the beginning. Sora is not just a tool, it's a gateway to new worlds, emotions, and understandings. And before we dive in, just a quick info for you guys.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
If you're one of the aspiring Python enthusiasts or AI and ML enthusiast looking for online training and graduating from the best universities, or a professional who elicits to switch careers in AI and ML by learning from the experts, then try giving a shot to Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and ML in collaboration with Purdue University and IBM. By enrolling in this certification program, you will gain expertise in skills like generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, explainable AI, machine learning algorithms, supervised and unsupervised learning, model training and optimization, and there's much more on the list. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. You can find the course link in the pinned comment and description box below. So let's get started. So you could see the OpenAI Sora website, and you could see that they have mentioned their capabilities, safety, and research about the OpenAI Sora and how they will transform the text or the prompts into videos. So let's have a look and imagine crafting stories that come to life where every word paints a motion picture. Sora, our latest innovation, or the OpenAI's innovation, is designed to understand and simulate the physical world in motion, creating video scenes from simple text instructions. So now let's see the examples. As you could see the prompt, that a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warming neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. You could see how they have depicted, or how this AI model, that is Sora, has depicted the prompt and how beautifully it has created this video. And similarly, you could see other prompts, that is the several giant woolly mammoths, and you could see the output of the OpenAI Sora. It's mesmerizing. Similarly, they have all the prompts that they have provided to their OpenAI Sora, and the outputs they all have mentioned on the website. As you would be knowing that the product is not available for all of us. They are in the beta version and they are provided to some of the video creators and some developers. So they have mentioned the prompts and the videos that on the website only. As you could see that Sora excels in generating complex scenes, maintaining visual fidelity and adhering closely to the creator's vision, all while ensuring that characters and styles persist accurately throughout the video. So with this technology, they have transitioned to visualization of Sora's diffusion model with digital representation of the video generation process. As we will see its capabilities, so you could see that they have provided some info for you guys also. That is, we are teaching AI to understand and simulate the physical world in motion with the goal of training models that help people solve problems that require real-world interaction. And they have introduced Sora, that is text to video model, and can generate videos up to a minute. As we have talked about the Lumiere, that can generate the videos up to 5 seconds, and they are also transforming to the longer section of videos. And if we talk about the Sora becoming available to red teamers to access critical areas from harms or risk, they are also granting access to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be the most helpful for creative professionals. As you can see that they have provided to these sections of the people only, and the product is not available for all the users. You could see the prompts here, that is historical footage of California during the gold rush, and how beautifully the Sora has curated this video. And if we talk about its technology behind it, so that at the heart of Sora lies a diffusion model architecture, similar to that of ChatGPT and DALL, representing videos as collections of data pages. So this allows Sora to extend the boundaries of video generation, creating or extending videos with unprecedented detail and accuracy. And you could see that they've also mentioned the current model has weaknesses, and it may struggle with accurately simulating the physics of a complex scene and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. For example, a person might take a bite of a cookie, but afterward the cookie may not have a bite mark in the video or the output. So they're improving with all the prompts and how the red teammates and the beta version, they will be entering the prompts, and with the time and the prompts they will improve this model. And the model may also confuse spatial details of a prompt, for example mixing up left and right, and may struggle with precise description of events that take place over time, like following a specific camera trajectory. So you could see the prompt, that is step printing scene of a person running, that is a cinematic film shot in 35 mm, and you could see the person is running backwards. And similarly here you can see that the prompt was 5 gray wolf pups frolicking and chasing each other around a remote gravel road surrounded by grass. And in this they have mentioned the weakness, that is animals or people can spontaneously appear, especially in scenes containing many entities. So it has a weakness, but it will move on and will be capable to overcome this weakness with time and the prompts. And now talking about its safety and responsibilities. So visuals shift to more sober throughout tone with a focus on digital locks and filters. And in powering this technology, OpenAI is committed to safety and responsible AI use, that is collaborating with domain experts. They're testing Sora against potential harms, developing detection tools for misleading content, and ensuring compliance with their stringent usage policies. So you could see that they're also focusing on the safety of the AI models, so that they won't be in the bad hands. As you could also see that they have also mentioned that they are planning to include C2PA metadata in the future if they deploy the model in an OpenAI product. So they are also having the safety methods in existing DALL 3 product also, and they are also applicable to Sora as well. As they have also mentioned an example, that is once in an OpenAI product, our text classifier will check and reject text input prompts that are in violation of our usage policies, like those that request extreme violence, sexual content, hateful imagery, celebrity likeness, or the IP of others. They've also deployed or developed robust image classifiers that are used to review the frames of every video generated to help ensure that it adheres to our usage policies before it's shown to our user. So you could see how they are concerning about the safety. And now moving about the research, we have also discussed that Sora is a diffusion model which generates videos by starting off with that one looks like static noise and gradually transforms it by removing the noise over many steps. So it is similar to GPT models and can have a transformer architecture, unlocking superior scaling performance. And if we talk about the patches, so they represent videos and images as collection of smaller units of data called patches, each of which is akin to be token in GPT. And you know that the Sora builds on past research in DALL and GPT models, and it uses the recaptioning technique from DALL 3, which involves generating highly descriptive captions for the visual training data. And as a result, the model is able to follow the user's text instructions in the generated video more faithfully. And now, if we talk about the future of Sora, so the tone of all the videos are uplifting again. And Sora is more than a technological marvel. It's a gateway to new forms of storytelling, education, and artistic expression. By engaging with policymakers, educators, and creators worldwide, OpenAI is aiming to unlock the full potential of AI in harmony with human creativity and ethical standards. And with that, guys, we are hoping to get this product live very soon. And with that, guys, we have come to the end of this session. If you guys found this video informative and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.